Hello all. This is a bit of a different venue for us, but we're over at the Ancaster Fall Fair. So, I'm going to try and do a quick video for you guys. Again, we'll usually start with the engines and we'll move on to the tractors. So up first we've got a Hornsby oil engine, roughly 1911. 6 horsepower, hot bulb, sorry. This belongs to the Dust Bowl Museum. And we've got our 1.5 horse Fairbanks. Tom Thumb's taking a break because the gas tank started leaking and leaked all the fuel out. So now we got to take that apart and fix it. And or if it's bad enough, might have to replace it. 4 horse Olds. I believe it's 4 horse. Also belongs to the Dust Bowl Museum. But since I'm part of this, I can do this. Type 2 4.5. We brought our dish pan. SJC Museum's making some ropes. Our 1 horsepower mogul. Our 1 3/4 mogul. My little Make-A-Do steam engine. Finally figured out, I don't know if I've said it in a video or not, but that's made out of an old Duro water pump. This is a Clutterbuck oil engine. I don't remember the year on this one, but there is a tag there if you guys want to read it. These were made in Australia. Hang on guys, I gotta go over here. Then we've got the SJC Museum stuff. Couple Ideals, Famous, Stover. This is a Pt1 Stover. Actually, I'm pretty sure I've showed all this before, but nice display stuff. 1.5 horse M. And the Bluffton. There's only a couple more engines, so take a quick walk over here, and then we'll probably end there. And we'll start over here and work back. Got a cement mixer. Also run by a CT2 silver, so same as ours. But this is a nice original one. It's not too far, so I'm not going to bother pausing you guys. Got a 5-horse Lister ball top, running a drag saw. See if I can get you close enough to see the tags. That one just should say drain water in frosty weather to avoid breaking. Little 1.5 John Deere running a can crusher. We've got a little Fairbanks salt block running the grain grinder.
The big one for animals. This one you would have in your house. Make a coffee grinder or make your flour. But it would have a crank on it, right? You make it a lot better.
And you've got another little 1.5 John Deere running a sheller, looks like. Yeah, it's a sheller.
Top of that steam start and put through there and see what you get.
Oh, so that was a J.A. Fellows pump jack. I missed that part. But that's it for the gas engines. Like I say, we got a fair few tractors here, so we'll probably end about here, and we'll do another video on the tractors and such. But since I don't know if I will be able to get this in time for the next video, they do have a Waterloo hooked up to a threshing machine. So, a little bonus for the gas engine video, I guess. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video, so we'll talk to you in the next one.